Here's what it looks like to do a little bit of soldering at 32 times speed. I'm doing some SMD work for the first time with this controller board here, using 1206 size passive parts, and they're a piece of cake. Really, they're not too bad at all. I use the approach where you put a little dab of solder on one pad, and then you use tweezers and you bring the part and the soldering iron together, and tack it into place on that one side, and then you can do the other sides, no problem, and not too bad at all. I got a little bottle of solder flux there. I started out with a soldering pen and a flux pen, and it put so much flux on the board, and it just constantly leaking. It ended up drying up after a month, and I found somebody on eBay that was selling these bottles of flux, and this was my first time using it. It was so much better. I just used a Q-tip to dab it on, and it was great. Soldering the board with the SMD parts went together pretty quickly. I had to put on an Arduino Pro Mini on there, so I had to do all the headers for it, and that took a while. And then doing all the wires for the external devices takes some time, cutting the wire to length and putting heat shrink tubing on them and stripping the ends of the wires and that good stuff. I think it took about 2.5 hours overall to finish everything. The OLED display, RGB LED, and the light sensor are all the external devices. But I can see why people use that hot air reflow approach for the SMD parts, because it could definitely save some time. And I might do that for my next project, see how that goes. All right, moment of truth. Gonna see if I can upload the controller software to this guy. All right, nothing smoked. That's good. And upload. All right, done uploading. Yay! All right. Let's see here. Oh, beauty. Yeah, okay. It's working.